What if I told you the world's fastest growing EV company isn't just building electric cars anymore, but is also quietly producing some of the most advanced hybrid engines on the planet? And not inside ordinary factories. We're talking about massive futuristic production hubs where robots work day and night, engines are assembled in minutes, batteries are built under the same roof, and entire hybrid systems are created with almost no outside suppliers involved. That company is BYD. For years, Tesla dominated headlines. Toyota ruled the hybrid world. But while everyone was focused on those two giants, BYD was building something completely different behind the scenes. A system where the battery, electric motor, software, and gasoline engine all work together like one perfectly synchronized machine. And now, that strategy is turning BYD into one of the biggest threats the global auto industry has ever seen. Today, we're taking you deep inside BYD's hidden hybrid engine factories, revealing how these advanced powertrains are built, why their DMI hybrid system is spreading so fast around the world, and why companies like Tesla and Toyota are suddenly paying very close attention. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to US Finance Wire and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest stories shaping the future of cars, technology, and global business. The hidden BYD empire. When most people hear the name BYD, they immediately think of batteries and electric vehicles. But BYD is much bigger than that. This company has quietly built one of the most vertically integrated automotive systems in the world. That means BYD controls almost everything itself. The batteries, BYD makes them. The electric motors, BYD builds those too. The hybrid engines, also made in-house. Even the semiconductors, software systems, and many of the raw materials are controlled through BYD's own supply chain. Most car companies depend heavily on outside suppliers. One company provides engines, another provides batteries, another makes electronics. BYD decided to do the opposite, and that single decision changed everything. Today, the company operates massive production facilities across China, each one playing a different role in BYD's growing automotive empire. Shenzhen, the birthplace of BYD. Everything started in Shenzhen. This city is not just BYD's headquarters, it's the heart of the company's research, development, and advanced engineering operations. Inside Shenzhen, BYD engineers test new hybrid systems, battery technologies, software updates, and manufacturing techniques before they are expanded across larger factories. This is where many of the company's DMI hybrid innovations were refined. And while some production happens here, Shenzhen mainly acts as BYD's innovation center. Think of it like the brain behind the operation. Zhengzhou, the mega factory that feels like a city. Then comes the Zhengzhou Mega Factory. This place is enormous. It's so large that many people compare it to a small city rather than a manufacturing plant. Cars move through giant automated assembly lines every few seconds. Robots weld body panels non-stop. Battery packs move through conveyor systems. AI-powered inspection cameras scan every component for imperfections. Hybrid engines, electric motors, transmissions, and complete powertrains are assembled with incredible speed. The level of automation here is extreme. Some reports suggest certain production areas operate with more than 90% automation. That means robots handle most repetitive and precision-based tasks, while human workers supervise operations and quality control. This allows BYD to produce vehicles at massive scale while keeping costs lower than many competitors. And that cost advantage is one of the biggest reasons the company is expanding so rapidly around the world. Xi'an, the hybrid SUV production hub. Another major location is Xi'an. This plant plays a huge role in BYD's hybrid SUV and sedan production. Vehicles like the BYD Song, Qin, Seal, and Tang rely heavily on powertrains built here. The factory has an annual production capacity reaching hundreds of thousands of vehicles. And just like other BYD plants, it combines advanced robotics with smart manufacturing systems. Inside the facility, hybrid engines are assembled alongside electric drive units and blade battery systems. Every process is designed for efficiency. Every second matters. The real secret: vertical integration. Now here's the most important part of BYD's strategy: vertical integration. This is the reason BYD has become such a dangerous competitor to traditional automakers. Instead of depending on dozens of suppliers across different countries, BYD keeps nearly everything under its own control. The company mines materials, builds batteries, produces electric motors, manufactures engines, designs software, and assembles complete vehicles internally. That creates several huge advantages. First, costs stay lower. Second, supply chain disruptions become less dangerous. Third, BYD can move faster than competitors because it doesn't need approval from outside suppliers every time it changes a design. This is exactly why BYD can launch affordable hybrid vehicles so quickly. While some automakers struggle with battery shortages or expensive supplier contracts, BYD already has much of the system under its own roof. And in today's automotive world, that's a massive advantage. BYD's global expansion. BYD is no longer just a Chinese company. Its global expansion is happening at incredible speed. New assembly plants are opening in Brazil, Thailand, Hungary, Turkey, and several other regions. In many of these countries, final vehicle assembly happens locally, but the core hybrid powertrains still mostly come from China. That's because China remains the center of BYD's manufacturing ecosystem. The infrastructure, supply chain, automation systems, and engineering expertise there are extremely difficult to replicate overnight. However, BYD's long-term plan appears very clear: build local production in major global markets, reduce shipping costs, avoid tariffs, and become a true worldwide automotive powerhouse. The numbers are insane. Now let's talk about production scale. This is where things become truly shocking. Back in 2008, BYD launched one of the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid vehicles. At the time, very few people took the company seriously. Fast forward to today, and BYD has produced millions of hybrid and electric vehicles. In recent years, the company has sold more than 4 million new energy vehicles annually, and hybrids make up a huge percentage of those sales. Some months, hybrid sales even outperform full EV sales. That's because many consumers still worry about charging infrastructure, especially in developing markets. BYD recognized this early. Instead of forcing buyers directly into EVs, the company built a bridge between gasoline and electric driving. That bridge is called DMI. What makes BYD's DMI hybrid system different? This is where BYD completely changed the game. Traditional hybrid systems, like many older designs, still rely heavily on the gasoline engine. The electric motor mainly assists the engine. BYD flipped that idea upside down. In a DMI system, the electric motor does most of the driving. The gasoline engine mainly acts like a generator. That changes the entire driving experience. When you drive a BYD vehicle in the city, it feels almost like a full EV. Smooth acceleration, instant torque, quiet cabin, minimal vibration. The engine often stays off completely during low-speed driving. And when the battery level drops, the gasoline engine quietly turns on to generate electricity. That electricity either powers the motor directly or recharges the battery. The transition happens automatically. Most drivers barely notice it. Understanding the DMI modes. Let's break it down simply. EV mode. In city driving, the vehicle runs almost entirely on battery power. No gasoline engine needed. This gives drivers a silent and smooth EV-like experience. Many BYD hybrids can drive 50 to 100 miles in electric-only mode depending on the model. That's enough for many daily commutes. Hybrid mode. When the battery level gets low, the gasoline engine activates. But instead of directly powering the wheels most of the time, it acts like a generator. This allows the engine to stay in its most efficient operating range. Result: lower fuel consumption, better efficiency, reduced emissions. Parallel mode. During heavy acceleration or highway driving, both the engine and electric motor work together. This provides strong performance when extra power is needed. That's why many BYD hybrids feel surprisingly quick despite focusing heavily on efficiency. The Xiaoyun engine. At the center of BYD's DMI system is the company's highly efficient Xiaoyun gasoline engine. This engine is designed specifically for hybrid use. It focuses on thermal efficiency rather than raw horsepower. BYD claims thermal efficiency figures above 43%. That's extremely impressive for a production gasoline engine. In simple terms, it means more fuel energy gets converted into usable power instead of being wasted as heat. Combined with BYD's electric motors and blade battery technology, the result is a highly efficient hybrid powertrain. The blade battery advantage. Now let's talk about another critical piece of the puzzle: the blade battery. This battery changed BYD's position in the global auto market. Unlike traditional battery designs, blade batteries are long, flat cells arranged in a unique structure. This design improves safety, reduces space usage, and increases structural strength. The chemistry used is usually LFP, lithium iron phosphate. That means lower fire risk, longer lifespan, lower production costs, better durability. This battery technology became one of BYD's biggest competitive weapons. And now even other automakers are paying attention to similar approaches. Inside the factory. How BYD builds hybrid engines. Now let's step inside the actual production process. This is where things become fascinating. Every engine begins as raw metal. Steel, aluminum, and specialized alloys arrive at the factory. Then comes casting and forging. Molten metal is poured into molds to create engine blocks. Heavy presses strengthen critical parts through forging. After that, precision CNC machines take over. These computer-controlled systems shape cylinders, smooth surfaces, drill holes, and prepare engine components with microscopic accuracy. In hybrid systems, precision is extremely important because the engine must work perfectly with the electric motor and software systems. Even tiny errors can reduce efficiency. Once machining is complete, assembly begins. Pistons are installed, crankshafts are fitted. Valves, timing systems, and cooling components are added. Robots handle repetitive tasks, while skilled technicians oversee final assembly. Then comes the electric side of the powertrain. Electric motors are assembled separately. Copper windings are installed. Magnets are positioned. Cooling systems are integrated. Afterward, the electric motor joins the gasoline engine inside the hybrid powertrain system. Then the blade battery pack is connected. The inverter and control systems are installed. Finally, the entire system undergoes testing. Quality testing is extreme. BYD doesn't simply build these systems and ship them out. Every powertrain goes through extensive testing. Engines run at different RPM levels. Sensors monitor heat, vibration, efficiency, and power output. Battery systems are tested under high temperatures and stress conditions. Software systems are checked repeatedly. Even tiny abnormalities can trigger reinspection. And because most testing systems are automated, problems are detected very quickly. This level of quality control is one reason BYD's reputation has improved dramatically over the past few years. Why? BYD is scaring Toyota and Tesla. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Why are major automakers paying so much attention to BYD? Because the company combines several dangerous advantages together. Tesla dominates full EV technology. Toyota dominates traditional hybrid reliability. BYD is trying to combine both worlds: affordable batteries, efficient hybrid systems, massive production scale, strong software integration, and lower manufacturing costs. That combination is extremely powerful. In developing markets, full EV adoption still faces challenges because charging infrastructure remains limited. BYD's hybrid systems solve that problem. Drivers get EV-like efficiency without range anxiety. That makes DMI technology especially attractive in countries across Asia, Latin America, Eastern Europe, and parts of Africa. The future of hybrid technology. Many people assumed hybrid cars would disappear once EVs became more common. But BYD is proving the opposite. Hybrid technology may actually become one of the most important transition technologies in the global auto industry, especially in markets where charging infrastructure still needs years of development. BYD understands this better than most companies. That's why the company continues investing heavily in both EVs and hybrids instead of focusing on only one category. Future DMI systems are expected to become even more efficient, longer range, smaller engines, more powerful electric motors, smarter AI-based energy management, faster charging, and potentially over 1,200 miles of combined range in some future models. Final thoughts. BYD is no longer just another Chinese automaker. It has become one of the most important automotive companies in the world. Its factories are growing rapidly, its technology is improving fast, and its hybrid systems are changing the way millions of people think about electric mobility. While Tesla focuses on fully electric performance and Toyota continues refining traditional hybrids, BYD has created something in the middle that works surprisingly well. A vehicle that feels electric, but still has the flexibility of gasoline. And thanks to massive automated factories, vertical integration, and advanced battery technology, BYD can produce these vehicles at prices many competitors struggle to match. The global auto industry is changing faster than ever, and BYD is becoming one of the companies leading that transformation. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to US Finance Wire, hit the notification bell, and let us know in the comments. Would you buy a BYD hybrid over a Tesla or Toyota? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.